Hi! In front of me is LG K41S, and today I would like to show you how you can find all typing features on this device. Start by opening Settings and scrolling down. Now you need to select System, Language and Keyboard, Manage Keyboards and your currently used one, in my case LG. Over here, as you can see, all text correction features are located. If you wish to enable or disable one of them, tap on the switcher next to the chosen one. But you can also click on it, tap on one of those options over here, and go back. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!